Ron Atchison for Autoforge.net. This video review, we're going to be taking a look at a product from CARPRO, and it is Clarify. Clarify is CARPRO's window cleaner. It states that it is a streak-free glass cleaner that will not damage windshield coatings. It removes dirt, oils, and contamination. Safe for interior and exterior glass. According to the directions, CARPRO wants you to spray 1 to 2 times onto a glass microfiber towel, then with firm, even pressure, scrub the glass, flip the towel over to a dry side, and buff it to a streak-free finish. Now, we've all struggled with cleaning glass, so anytime that we get a glass cleaner that actually works, that's a good day. So let's take this for a spin and see how well it does. All right, so to use the Clarify, I'm going to use a couple of McKee's 37 spider glass towels. Now, in the directions, CARPRO states that they want you to spray it onto the towel first. I think the reason behind that is because this product actually flashes pretty quickly. So typically, I normally just spray it straight onto the glass, but I found that doing that, the product wants to evaporate so quickly that you don't get much of a chance to clean the glass. So actually getting the towel damp allows you to spread the product out even more. First thing I'm going to notice about it is the scent. It's got a very pleasant scent to it, almost like a banana taffy smell to it, if you can remember that as a kid. The other thing I'm noticing right away is the glass cleaner, when you come back behind with your second towel, is very slick. If there's one thing I hate about cleaning windows is when you use a cheap glass cleaner and it's very grabby, especially on the inside of a windshield or a really sloped back window. Nothing worse than trying to clean the streaks off and your towels rolling up in your hand and everything because the glass cleaner is real grabby. Clarify is nice and slick. So when you're doing on the interior windows, let me show you a little tip. And that is, like on this car, right up here at the top, there's part of the glass that you can't get to, but as soon as you roll the window down, it's quite obvious. So the best thing to do is drop the window down a couple of inches like that and go ahead and clean that area first. Sometimes even on the outside, it's where it's tucked up into the channel. You can't get to it, so do those areas first. Then go ahead and roll the window up and do the rest of the glass as you normally would. It's a very nice window cleaner. Glass is absolutely crystal clear. Nice pleasant scent. Towel isn't grabby. It's a real pleasure to work with. Looks great. I know it's kind of hard to see it on a camera, but bring you in here and you can see that the window looks good. Another tip I'll give you on doing windows, whichever way is more comfortable for you when you're doing the interior, go in that direction, and then on the outside go in the opposite direction. That way if you do have a streak or a smudge as you're walking around a car inspecting things, then you'll know whether that streak or the smudge is on the inside or the outside, based on which direction the streak is going. That way you're not climbing in and out of the car trying to figure out which side of the glass the streak's on. So there's a couple of tips for you on cleaning glass, make things a little bit simpler. So that was Clarify by CARPRO. I think it's an excellent window cleaner. It's a pleasure to use it. It's got a nice scent to it. Your towel's not grabby when you're trying to clean the glass. Didn't leave any kind of streaks or smudges behind. Another big plus to this product is that it is window coating safe. So if you've got a ceramic coating on your windows, it's not going to degrade that at all. Or if you've got a sealant, such as like a Rain-X type product, it won't remove that either. So that's a big plus for the product. I hope you found the video informative. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you'd like to learn any more information on CARPRO products, please visit autoforge.net. We sell a wide variety of CARPRO products there. This is Ron Atchison for autoforge.net. Thanks for watching.